Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set up and use Dell Docking Station K20A step-by-step setup and configuration tutorial. Step 1. Prepare your laptop. Before plugging into your dock, you must update your laptop because using outdated drivers or BIOS can cause the dock to not be recognized or perform poorly. Simply go to the Dell Support Driver Downloads and enter your laptop's service tag to filter results. Then download and install the latest BIOS, chipset driver, and Intel/NVIDIA/AMD graphics drivers. Once done, restart your laptop. Step 2. Set up the docking station. Plug the provided 130-volt or 180-volt AC power adapter into the dock and the other end into a wall outlet. The light on the dock's USB-C cable will briefly light up to indicate it is receiving power. Step 3. Connect your peripherals. Connect your everyday workspace devices directly to the back and front of the dock. For external displays, use the HDMI or DisplayPort ports. For keyboard and mouse, plug into the standard USB 3.0 or USB 3.1 ports. For internet, run a wired Ethernet RJ45 cable from your router into the back of the dock. Step 4. Connect to your laptop. Plug the dock's primary USB-C cable into a supported USB-C or Thunderbolt port on your laptop. The dock will immediately power charge your laptop and enable all connected peripherals. Step 5. Configure displays. Press Windows key plus P to open the project menu. In it, select Extend to use all screen as independent individual monitors. Then again go to Settings, in it go to System, then tap on Display to arrange the monitors and adjust the resolution. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.